So hello, welcome back to the module on Yoast SEO plugin. In the last video, we learned that how to set up Yoast SEO plugin. If you have understood the various settings of Yoast SEO plugin, now this is the time to actually see the power of Yoast SEO plugin. So let us see how to work on Yoast SEO plugin by understanding various features of this plugin. Inserting SEO title and meta description. We have already discussed that on any given SERP page, title and description play a very significant role when a user decides to click on search results to reach to your website. Actually, SEO titles and description titles are created by using meta tags. But Yoast SEO plugin has simplified this process. We can easily create SEO title and description without any knowledge of HTML language. Let us see how. Go to post or page and add new. Here you will notice that at the bottom of new post, Yoast settings have appeared like focus keyword, snippet preview, readability analysis, SEO analysis, add a related key phrase, cornerstone analysis. These features are very important and I will discuss them all. Let us discuss this one, snippet preview. This is the live demonstration how our title and description will appear in Google search results. Actually, these are meta tags for title and description. We have to just modify them. The first is title and this is description. In the very first instance, whatever you will write in, that will be taken as your title tag and you can see the live preview of it like this one. This is your title, this is separator which we set during Yoast SEO setup, and this is the title by default according to the structure of the title. Up to here it was simple as my SEO title and post title are same. But what do I do if I want to add few more keywords to the SEO title, not in the post title? Just double click on the title and a tab to edit the title will open up. Here you can completely modify your title. Suppose I want to add one keyword by adding a separator here. Insert separator from snippet variable. Separator is added and start typing your keyword like qualitative research. You can see in the title it is getting added. But this is not the original title. This title is called SEO title and will be shown in Google results. You can further modify it by using these variables. Remember, keep the length of the title up to 60 characters only. Otherwise, your full title will not be visible in the search results. If the title is too short or long, it will be indicated by the orange line. Green line means length is ideal. Next we have description. Here under meta description, write the content of your description up to 160 characters. The orange line below shows that your description is too short and you have to add more character to it. Once it becomes green, you reach to the minimum length and may add few more characters to make it meaningful. Once it becomes orange, again it means you have exceeded the character limit and stop typing. Anything typed beyond this will not be shown as a part of description. Only 3 dots will be visible. So try to complete the description within word limit. You may also add description variable from here. So this was how to add SEO title and description. Always give best description of your page and post. If you will not give description, the Google will pick automatically any part of the post or page and show it as a description. So with this, we have learned that how to add title and description to our web pages. Now, appropriate title and description are very important when it comes to the search engine optimization, because from SERP, our visitors usually come to our website by understanding or reading the title and description first. So make use of SEO plugin to make the effective titles and the description for your web pages.